Sometimes I wake up and my hair is like, girl, if you don't fix me, we gon' fight. Wash your hair with what you like, but that rice water collection hits just right. Follow up with the clay mask, take your time, be generous now. It ain't a crime, 30 minutes is good, a bit longer too. Whatever you like, it's up to you. Rinse it all out, enjoy that feeling. Shine, hydration, so much healing. Time to add the moisturizing milk. Twist out, braid out, wrap in silk. What about those split ends? Yes, me too. The split end therapy will help you, boo. Part and section, take your time. Be generous now, it ain't a crime. Day 1 and 2, you know what it do. Day 3, 4C, ladies, ooh wee. Take a look at all collections as well. All will be beautiful in the name of